Thank you, the members of the Fourth State Coalition. This afternoon, the process that began at the DC County Assembly about 2 weeks ago has come to a conclusion, whereby the majority of the members of the DC County Assembly have accepted the grounds that are tabled in my impeachment motion against the Deputy Governor, His Excellency Dr. Hon Monda. I want to put it very clear that of the many roles and responsibilities the people virtually gave to me, one of them was oversight. And that is the responsibility that I've been doing, especially in this impeachment motion, because His Excellency Dr. Hon Siocha is a good friend of mine. We have been in communication all through. But I had to balance between friendship and doing the job that I took an oath of office. I had a challenge to either stand with this young man by the name Dennis Mukaya, a jobless youth who had to set down a few of the things that we had, with the hope of securing a job which he had been promised by the Deputy Governor Robert Monda, a commercial manager, whereby he had assured the family of Dennis that he will influence the process so that at the end of the day, one Dennis Mukaya gets the job. I took the responsibility of moving this motion, defending it in the floor of the House, not simply because of just Dennis Mukaya, but because of the many jobless youths outside there who voted for us, not only us as the member of the County Assembly, but also in the other leaders in other cadres of leadership. So I want to state clear that this is not in bad faith, it's actually in good faith, because we must set a precedence and we must set the bar high as the third assembly. And on the same note, it has been said that it's a war that has been orchestrated between us, because it happens I come from the river where Monda comes from. At times when we get these positions, we must rise above the cocoons of clanism, houseism, and just perform those functions that are expected of us in these offices. Some of us, we are very young, we want to grow, and we must set the record straight that we must fight impunity by all means, whether those who are doing it are our friends or are people who come from the same clans we come from or the same houses we come from. So let it not be read in bad faith. We have just been doing our oversight role, and let it be understood that. Thank you.
Labda mheshimiwa, kilichobaki sasa ni kipi, kwa sababu kama majengo ya bunge ya Kisii waweza kuimpeach, so what next?
Now after this process, the Speaker has got a maximum of 48 hours or 2 days to communicate the resolution of the Kisii County Assembly to the Senate that the Deputy Governor of Kisii County stands impeached on these grounds. So from here, we are now shifting our eyes to the Senate of the Republic of Kenya, so that now again we may be able to continue supporting and accepting our motion, because this one does not mean that it ends here. We have to proceed to the Senate.